Today we're going to show you an amazing natural booster for zucchinis and reveal some important tips that most gardeners overlook, but make all the difference between a weak harvest and giant, delicious fruits. If you are growing zucchinis, you definitely do not want to miss this. Many people believe zucchinis grow easily without much attention, but the truth is, zucchinis are very sensitive to soil quality, moisture, and nutrition. If they do not get what they need, they will show signs quickly. Leaves turn yellow, fruit stays small and lack flavor, and fungal infections or pests often appear. The good news is, all of this can be prevented with just a few simple steps that we will share with you today. We will teach you how to feed your plants properly, which natural ingredients to use, where to get them for free, and how to apply them for the best results. These are not expensive products from the store, but simple household ingredients that work wonders when combined. So stay until the end, because you will learn not only how to double your zucchini harvest, but also how to keep the plants strong and healthy throughout the season. Let us begin step by step. To grow strong and productive zucchinis, they need to be regularly fed with nutrients, especially potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. We are going to prepare a liquid fertilizer using 3 simple ingredients, 2 of which can often be found completely free of charge. Listen closely, because we will tell you exactly where to find them. First, pour 300 milliliters of warm water into a container and add 1 full spoon of wood ash. This natural byproduct from fireplaces and wood stoves contains important minerals such as potassium for fruit development, calcium for strengthening plant cells, and magnesium to help with photosynthesis. It also improves soil structure and reduces acidity. Next, add 1 spoon of used coffee grounds. Coffee is rich in nitrogen, which supports the growth of leaves and stems. Besides feeding the plant, coffee grounds also act as a natural pest repellent because many insects dislike the smell. The third ingredient is half a spoon of baking soda. While usually used in the kitchen, in the garden it serves a powerful purpose, protecting plants from fungal infections. When mixed with water, baking soda creates a slightly alkaline environment that makes it hard for fungi to grow, helping the plant stay healthy. Stir the mixture well and leave it to sit for 1 full day. This allows the nutrients to dissolve and activate. After 24 hours, strain the mixture and add 3 more liters of water. This will give you enough liquid to feed several plants. Apply the solution every 15 days, and you will soon notice thicker leaves, more flowers, and plenty of zucchinis. You can usually get wood ash for free by asking local pizzerias or bakeries that use wood-fired ovens. They usually throw it away and will likely give you some without any problem. The same goes for coffee grounds. Just ask at a nearby cafe and they will probably be happy to give you some. If you found this tip helpful, please share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.